Thank you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Dear
Dear
Jesus,
Jesus,
thank you
thank you
for
for
today,
today.
for Mommy and Daddy,
Mommy, Papa,
Daddy
Daddy,
and Tom
Tom,
and Nana
and Nana.
and Uncle Will.
I will
Thank you for food
take your food
and my bed,
into our bed.
and for Dora.
Then do a necklace. Do a necklace.
Yeah. Okay, close your eyes.
Do
Close your eyes. We're still praying, Lord. Like, close your eyes.
we do a
Your necklace is right here. See?
necklace.
Okay, close your eyes. Please
Please
watch
watch
over
over
me
me
when
when
I
I
sleep.
sleep.
I love you, Jesus.
I love
Close your eyes.
Jesus.
Close your eyes. Thank you
Thank you
for
for
dying
saying
for
for
my
my
sins.
sins.
Amen.
Amen.